So today I am going to show you how to make a unique Father's Day photo frame. To make this photo frame, you need a cardboard, rice, scissors, ruler, pen, paint and pen brush and glue. So guys, here you have to draw a simple outline of the letters D-A-D, Dad. So I already completed the letter D. So now here is the A. I drew a big one because we have to stick a picture in it, right? So here I'm drawing the outline of letter A. And now you have to draw the outline of small d. So totally it will add up to DAD, which is Dad. So here it's D. And now you have to draw the inside part. So guys, after drawing the basic outline, this is how it looks. So now I just need to cut it with scissors. So guys, here I am cutting the letter D. So here guys, you might be wondering how to cut the inside part, right? So for the inside part, you have to cut it with a cutter or a sharp blade, whichever you have in your home. So here I'll show you. So see, so I'm using a cutter. You can use anything else, as I told you, like a sharp blade or something which is sharp, so that you can cut the inside part of the letters. So here you can see that I'm cutting the inside part. So now here I'm moving on to letter A. So here I'm first cutting the outline. So here, and now we have to cut the inside part with cutter, as I told you again. So make sure it will be neat in the inside. So as you can see here, I got a lot of mess because mine was a thick cardboard. So now I'm cutting the inside part of letter A. So guys, so you have to make sure that it's neat because you are going to stick a photo inside it. So here, now letter D. So this is a small d. So quickly you just need to cut the inside small with cutter. So here I am cutting the inside part, and now we are done. So guys, overall this is how it looks, letter D, A, D. So now we have to apply some glue and stick rice onto it. So here I am applying the glue, and so as you can see here, lightly apply the rice and press it. So you have to do the same process for every letter. So here for spreading the glue I am using a paintbrush. You can use anything which you have. So guys, as you guys know, after cleaning, everyone should clean up the mess. So here I am cleaning up the mess. So I took the remaining part of the rice. Guys, this is how it looks after I applied the rice onto the letters. So D, A, D. So now the final thing is to color them. So here I have dark blue paint. You can choose of your choice. So guys, here I am painting. So guys, actually first I thought of painting the letters with yellow color, but after some time I changed my mind. So as rice is already a bit yellowish, so I thought of using blue. So guys, the main point over here is that you have to apply the paint very lightly so that you can get a crispy texture onto the letters. So apply the paint very lightly so that you'll get a crispy texture. So guys, this is how it looks after I painted it. So here in letter A I wrote Happy Father's Day. So actually it's Happy Father's Day, right? So I wrote Happy Father's Day. So if you guys have your father's picture, you can stick it inside letter A. So it's Father's Day, so I just wrote Happy Father's Day. So overall this is how it looks. And now if you want to connect the letters you have to use two cardboard connectors. You have to connect it like this, and two stands so that you can hold your photo frame. So guys, this is how it overall looks. It's wonderful, right? So here in middle, Happy Father's Day. I wish every father in the world a very happy Father's Day. So guys, how is it? A Father's Day photo made out of rice. So hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and give a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye! So guys, today is yoga day, right? So wish you all a very happy yoga day. So I did some yoga poses. So now let's go and see what I did.